Welcome to Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create some molten steel. Let's go to Insert, Shapes, and we're just going to take the cube, draw it out like that. I'm going to take out the outline. Now you go to Shape Fill, Gradient, and you can select one of the gradients here. I'm just going to open up the fill over here. I'm going to set up 5 gradient stops from left to right, bright orange all the way to black. So here you go change this one to orange like that. This one I'm going to move over here and make it this orange. I'm going to add an extra gradient here, make that one a little bit darker like that. One more here, about here, just kind of like a black gray, and then just going to move that over a little bit this way. And then this last one, I'm just going to make it black like so. And I'm just going to change this to fixed position. Now you can change the different parts to it here. There's a yellow. I'm going to move that yellow dot marker control. Make it like so. What I'm also going to do, and you can play with these gradient stops here as well. You want to pull it back a little bit more, make the ends a little bit darker. Move this one over here a little bit like so. And I'm going to go into 3D format, and for the material I'm going to select powder, and lighting I'm going to select the red. Okay, then you can open up the 3D rotation. I'm going to make 20 presets. Okay, that'll open it up. So now I have the perspective. I'm just going to put that back to 20, this one to 0, 0, and this to 85. And then maybe widen it, make it longer. You can make other objects the same way, and now that you have the gradient set, it's very easy. So go Insert, Shapes, then you take the cylinder, for example, go Gradient Fill, and then I'm just going to take out the line, no line, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks.